Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about a quick fix on the Sony WH-1000XM5 noise cancelling not working. So these steps troubleshoot this issue. So turn on the noise cancelling function. Using the touch sensor or button on the headphones, turn on the noise cancelling function. The noise cancelling function works. The issue was caused because the noise cancelling function was set to off. Note if the noise cancelling function is insufficient or you can't switch the noise cancelling even after the setting, then go to the next troubleshoot step. The noise cancelling doesn't work or I am not sure how to touch sensor or buttons. So step number 2, change the headphone settings using the Sony Sound Connect app. When the adaptive sound control is set to on, the headphones detect your action and automatically switches the settings of the noise cancelling function to ambient sound control. To make maximum use of the noise cancelling function, follow the steps to set the adaptive sound control to off and adjust the noise cancelling or ambient sound control manually. So connect the headphones and smartphone via Bluetooth and then launch the Sony Sound Connect app. If the adaptive sound control is on, turn it off. In the My Device tab, check the adapted sound control status. If the status shows other than off, select the right arrow on the right side of the adaptive sound control menu, this button right here. Then turn on the ambient sound control and then move the slide bar to the left until noise cancelling appears in the ambient sound control setting. Now, fit the headphones to your ears firmly. Adjust the length of the headband to allow the headphones to hold the entire ear inside the ear pad. Now reset the headphones. And after resetting, initialize the headphones. After initializing, the headphones will return to the factory settings and all Bluetooth pairing information will be deleted. And that's it. Thanks for watching.